Hey guys, John Milligan here. Oh, I love the event. It's been awesome. 2 days of learning. It's really blown me away how much I've actually learned. I attended this seminar you guys had about a couple weeks ago. It's a 1 day free seminar, and I had learned so much there that I thought, that's going to be it. And then you guys kind of showed me this at the end of it, 3 day live virtual, and I was very happy it was virtual because I couldn't have attended otherwise. So I attended. Here I am, day two, into day two, and I've learned so much. I mean, just by writing the headlines, and empathy headlines and all, and learning to look at things that the way the customers look at them, and that alone has just been worth its weight in gold, and just. And if anybody was even thinking about, should I come to Command Drone Live, I would say definitely do that. These guys know what they're doing. They're really excellent. Diego's an excellent marketeer. He's marketing expert. The drone boss, well, he's the expert at drones. So, they have got a business plan put together that you won't believe. And the stuff you learn it's amazing. It's well worth its money. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. I would say definitely attend. Definitely listen to the whole thing, all 3 days, and just learn, and get out there and put this practical things that Damon and Diego and the rest of the crew are teaching you. Just put it to practical use. And I see no way this can't fail unless you just don't get out there and do it. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm going to do is real soon. I'm about to hit the ground and go get me some customers and, work hard. You got to work hard anyway. You might as well work hard at something that you're doing. And these guys will teach you how to do just that. I don't even know. There's so much that we've learned. Now you guys have a good day, and I thank you for this remarkable 3 days of Drone Command Live. Thank you. Have a great day, and God bless.